I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away.
Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Diaz. May I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to order breakfast.
Enter the ma'am. May I know who's the line and your room number, please?
This is Jamila. I'm in the room 310.
Thank you, Miss Jamila. For breakfast, we offer American, Continental, and Filipino set. Which one will you prefer?
I'll go with American breakfast.
Drink choice, ma'am. For the American breakfast, would you prefer ham or bacon with sunny side up egg?
I'll have bacon with sunny side up.
Got it. For your bread, would you prefer butter or mayonnaise?
Butter for me.
And your fresh fruit. We have orange, mango, and apple.
Orange.
For your drinks, we have orange juice, pineapple juice, and iced tea.
One iced tea.
Would you like brewed coffee?
Yes, one coffee with sugar and creamier, please.
To confirm your order, one American breakfast, one with bacon, butter, orange, one iced tea, and coffee with sugar and creamer. Did I get it right?
Yes, that's correct.
May I know how many people this is for?
One.
Thank you, ma'am. Your breakfast will be delivered to room 310 in about 30 minutes. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to call. Have a wonderful morning. Good morning. I'm Diaz. Where is your order? May I come in?
Yes, ma'am.
Where do you want me to put your order?
Here on the table.
May I present your bill now?
Yes, please.
Your bill is 700 pesos. How do you want to settle your payment?
In cash. Here's my payment.
I receive and accept amount. Kindly sign your receipt, please.
Here's my receipt.
Here is your copy of receipt, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.